If you're looking to automate workflows and save time, Process.st is an incredibly powerful tool that allows you to streamline your operations and make your processes more efficient. In this quick guide, we'll walk through how you can easily set up and automate your workflows in Process.st so you can get back to focusing on what really matters. First, let's talk about the basics. Process.st is a business process management software that allows you to create, manage, and automate recurring workflows. It's perfect for teams of all sizes, especially if you're looking to save time and reduce human error in your processes. What makes Process.st so great is its simplicity and flexibility. Whether you're managing a marketing campaign, handling client onboarding, or tracking employee tasks, you can create workflows that are as simple or complex as you need them to be. You can start by creating a template for your workflow. Templates are the backbone of Process.st. A template can include multiple tasks, checklists, and instructions. Once you've created a template, you can then use it to run workflows, ensuring that each step is followed precisely and consistently. To set up a workflow, just click on the New Workflow button, choose the template you want to use, and assign tasks to the appropriate team members. You can also add custom fields to track key data and set due dates to keep everyone on track. It's all about creating structure within your processes and ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. But what really makes Process.st shine is its ability to automate these workflows. By integrating with other tools like Zapier, Slack, and Google Sheets, you can trigger actions based on specific conditions. For example, you could automate the task of notifying your team on Slack whenever a new workflow is triggered, or automatically create tasks in a project management tool like Asana or Trello. Another great feature is the conditional logic. This allows you to set rules within your workflows that dictate what happens next. For instance, if a particular task is completed successfully, you can automatically move on to the next stage. But if something goes wrong, you can set it to notify the team for review, ensuring that nothing gets missed. You can even create approvals and request updates from team members, making the process collaborative. The tool allows you to track progress and make adjustments as needed, giving you full visibility into how your workflows are progressing. Process.st also offers a powerful reporting system. This means you can see how long each task took, where the bottlenecks are, and what tasks are being delayed. This kind of insight is invaluable for improving processes and optimizing workflows over time. If you're new to the software, don't worry. There are plenty of templates to help you get started. From HR onboarding to customer support workflows, you can easily import templates and start automating right away. Plus, the interface is intuitive, so you won't have to spend hours learning how to use it. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that you can use Process.st completely free through the first link in the description below. We also have an exclusive bonus where you can access an extended trial, giving you plenty of time to explore everything the platform has to offer. So if you're ready to automate your workflows and take your productivity to the next level, go ahead and give Process.st a try today. Just click that link and sign up for your free trial now.